Business owners, do you want to know a simple and easy way to get cash injections into your business? How to increase your cash flow with less stress and capital? Today's presentation is going to show you some simple and easy ways to take your business to the next level and increase your profits with less stress and capital. My name is Albert Corey, and I've assisted over 145,000 clients, saving them millions of dollars. So, today on Cash Injection System, we're going to talk about you have to know the dates. You see, with the IRS, you have to know certain dates. If you don't know the dates, the IRS is going to start charging you lots of money and late fees, and you're going to start losing money. So we're going to show you how to put money in your pocket almost instantly. Well, the two major dates are March 15th is when your business tax returns are due. If you file it after this date and you have an LLC, they're going to charge you $400 a month. So if you come on April 15th, when most of the time your personal tax returns are due, you could be losing $800. So today we're going to start going over the dates that you must know. So the first date you must know is January 8th. On January 8th, you need to call the tax preparer and file an extension. What is an extension, you ask? This is a form that you send in to the IRS to give you extra time. So if you are a personal return, that's going to give you all the way out to October 15th. And on business returns, you're going to get out to September 15th. So obviously, the next date you have to know is March 15th, which we went over, that businesses are returns are due. I suggest to everybody who has a business, you should file an extension. You see, this is very important because whoever you go do your tax return will be always so busy that they might not have time for you. But if you file the extension, they're going to make sure you have time to get the returns done. So now you'll have all the way up to September 15th. So now the next date I tell everybody that you have to know after you file the extension is July 15th. On July 15th, you need to start getting your papers together. My office, we also do bookkeeping. So if you ever need that done, we do that for you. See, I can tell you, most of the small business owners who don't have a bookkeeper, they don't start. This is when they start getting into panic mode and they need to get their stuff together. So if you don't know how to do it or can't do it or don't have time, you need to go out and get a bookkeeper. And if you need bookkeeping service, please call the number below, our office, 305-823-9228, and we'll give you a free evaluation to see how much it would cost to get your bookkeeping done. Now, the next date you must know is August 15th. See, on August 15th is three things are going to happen. You're going to call the person who filed your tax return, who files your tax returns. So now when you're going to call him, he can say one of three things could happen. Well, the first thing that could happen is, sure, come on in. He always has time for you. Second thing that could happen, he's going to tell you he doesn't have time. The third thing that could happen is they're out of business. So now you're going to start going in panic mode. This is when you might start to scramble to find someone to do your tax return. Well, our office is there, Corey & Associates Accounting Services. We've been assisting our clients for almost 40 years, saving them over $60 million. We're there for you. Now, the next date is September 15th. So on September 15th, business returns are due. So if you file it after September 15th, the IRS is going to start to charge you more penalties and interest. And after all, we're into the cash injection system where we don't want you to have to pay any late fees. Okay, we don't have to pay any late fees. A third thing that you must know is October 15th, personal returns are due. Here's the cool thing is that you can file your business return on September 15th, and you can file your personal returns, okay, when they're due on October 15th, because they're two separate returns. So make sure you get these things done. If you see the link below, we have the free business evaluation, 305-823-9228. You can also follow us on social media, Albert C 360, to get any of your business questions answered. And this will be a series that we're going to be coming up with how to do your business have cash injections. Thank you, and talk to you soon.